Hello my friends, welcome back to my channel. This is Clark Kent, my friend. We are broadcasting from G2. Alright, let's begin. Today we are going to work on writing a number in exponential form. This is from the Module 1, Lesson 3, Eureka Math. So let's look at the first number. So let's say we have the number 100,000. No, 1 million. Let's make it 1 million, my friends. Okay? So we're going to write it in exponential form. So here's what we do. We're going to, on the solution side, we're going to rewrite the number. And we can do this the easy way or the difficult way. So if you look at every zero represents a 10. So if you look at this number, a zero, every zero is a 10, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, which means this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And just to be sure, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. That is correct. So 1 million equals 10 times 10 times 10 times 10 times 10 times 10. And so now that makes it easier for us to write it in the exponential form. That means we're using exponent. All we're doing is rewriting this problem. So the base number is the 10. And all we have to do is look at how many 10s we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that's going to be 10 to the power of 6. And we're done with that problem. Okay, so let's do one more. Let's do, for example, let's say they give us this separated, like a multiplication, 100 times 10. Well, my friends, it does very similar. 100 times 10 will equal 1,000. Why? Because you have 3 zeros, and you have 3 zeros on this side. So now we know that this 100 times 10 equals 10 to the power of 3. Okay? And if you want to go a little farther and really break this down, you know that 100 is 10 times 10. And if you break this down, that will be times 10. And still will be the same thing. Look at the patterns. Look at how the exponent is 3. So there should be 3 10s in this number multiplying by each other. And also here, if you have 100 times 10, it will give you the same thing. Okay, my friends, one last one. Let's write one more very quickly. What if you have same thing, 10,000? Let me see, can you see that clearly? I think you do. 10,000 times 10. So once again, you're going to write 10,000 times 10. And then you're going to look at the pattern. How many zeros do I see? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that means it's going to be the base is 10. And you have 5 zeros. So that will be 10 to the power of 5. Okay, so if you're going to break it down a little more, my friends, you know that this one is going to be 10 times 10 times 10 times 10. So that will be 10,000. 1, 2, 3, 4 tens. 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros. Times the number 10 that is right here, that will be 5. Right? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the answer is 10 to the power of 10. Thank you very much for watching, my friends. Please review these problems. They are not so hard. Math is a pattern subject. Look for patterns and practice every time you can. Signing out from Studio 520, Clark Kent, my friends.